Hey, what's up guys, how you doing today? Welcome back to another video. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so anytime I have a new video here, you guys will be definitely be notified. So here in this video, we're going to be discussing about how you can make money from Legiit.com if you are kind of like a freelancer like me. So and you found yourself like you can offer any kind of service in any of these categories here on Legiit.com. So definitely this website is for you, and of course you can make money on Legiit.com. So I just found this website when I'm trying to scroll up to some financing website on Facebook. So I I found this website because the owner of this website actually dropped a link to this. So then I come through it and see what it's actually all about. So then I try to set up an account on this website, and I hopefully it will worth it, because I've noticed that sellers are not really much there like other freelancing platform. So and it's not really that hard to set up an account on this platform. So then I think I should share with you guys. If you want to give it a try, then setting up accounts on this platform is very easy. So be it any category you found your skill in, so definitely you are going to make money as a freelancer on this website. So you can see here in the category of graphics and design. So you can see these are existing gigs on the first page here on this platform. So and the sellers, they are already making money. So definitely you guys too can make money. I don't know if you already have idea about this website before, but I just think that it's not actually I saturated like that. So definitely we are going to make money on it. Then regarding this, okay, let's check on the writing niche. So we see what's going on there. Okay, these are blog post writing gigs on this platform. So you can see there are people that are making a lot of money there already. So you can see here, let me check. I think this seller is actually charging yeah, okay, for basic package it's 1000 words. This is a standard package for 5000 words for $200, and then the premium package says $600 for 10,000 words. So I think that's pretty awesome. So and let's see what people are actually saying about the service. So and the funnest part about this platform is that the if a buyer drop a review, so they are going to mention the package that the buyer actually purchased. So you can see here for basic plan, for basic plan, for basic plan, basic plan, basic plan, basic plan, this is the standard plan. So you can see basic, standard. So you can see the different from other freelancing platforms. So then you can check some other niche as well. Let's say ghostwriting. And these are the things that people actually do much: web content, press release, editing and proofreading here. Okay, so I think you can see here this is 9 reviews, or this is 6 reviews. So people are making money on this website. So yeah, people are making money on this website. So You can also check some other categories such as web design. Let's see what's going on with web design. So here you see this is web design, so high quality website design. So people are purchasing this service. They are already making money on this website too. So you can also do the trial, and if you are kind of like a video editor, video maker, all stuff like that, so you can start from here too. So you see all the categories people are making money on it. So definitely you guys too can make money on it. And if you are kind of like a voice over person who over voice over service, so definitely you can come in here to offer your service. And if you are a songwriter, a voice like I said, a voice over sound effects, DJ mixing, all the stuff like that, so you can make money on this website. So aside from that, there is still more to it as a graphic designer. Lot of categories that you can actually navigate to and see what's going on there, or just set up an account and see what comes your way within that time. So that's all I have for you in this video, just to get you to notice a new freelancing platform that you can also add to the existing website that you are freelancing on, to make or to double your income weekly, monthly, or yearly. So it depends on how you make your own money. So that's all I have for you in this video, and I hope you guys actually like it. So thank you for watching this little bit video, and I hope you guys like it. Like I said, thank you.